everyone! So it's me again, Nielle. So today I'm gonna make this simple makeup look. Actually, this look I was inspired by our makeup artist, Miss Kimi Kimi. Shout outs. She's so beautiful and so galing talagang mag-makeup. So gagayahin ko yung makeup na tinry niya sa amin for today. But as you can see, I already put on everything on my face. I have the foundation, my kilay, my blusher, my contour, even for more nose line. So I will emphasize only for my eyes. So sobrang dali lang siya, hindi ko na siya pahahabain, okay? So, let's start it, guys! So, let's start with the transition. I will use this Huda Beauty palette again. So, I will use this transition. As you have known, I have the hooded eye. So, I have to put my transition above my crease. This color I put is the sandalwood, by the way. Okay. And the other side. Okay. Then the next, I will get a very thin brush, which is this one. It's better, but I will try to use this what is this? Maneater. Oh my god. Oh, this one, the maneater. Okay. So I will put this slowly and precisely on my crease over here. Halfway only. So halfway, and I'll put it the other side as well. Okay. Then I will put a little bit of darker or like a maroon color, which is I will use this Tarte, the Drama. So guys, the next color will be this Drama from Tarte. It's like a maroon, like maroon purple. Try this to emphasize the line. This color, it's like a pop-up color. So, it means yung color niya bright. Medyo bright siya. Okay. So, kailangan ko na siyang i-blend. So, this time, I will gonna put it here. Below on my brow bone. Slowly. So it's focusing here. Nagpo-focus siya dito sa parang below the brow bone mo. So kailangan siya blend dito. Darken yung shade na siya. Parang nag-dark yung color niya. Blend dito. So guys, eto na siya. Okay. Out ko lang sa pangatan. Then we will create like a cat crease. Okay, lilinisin na natin siya. We'll use the brush. Since I have hooded eye, I have to cut it above my crease. Spread all over your lids. Okay. So, I already put on my concealer. I already make this like cut crease. Yan, malinis na siya. Mag-start na ako gumawa ng halo sa baba. First, since naglagay ako ng concealer, I always make sure na naglalagay pa rin ako ng powder. Then, I'll start to make a halo. I will use this dark purple, the Drama. Dark one. I use this flat brush. First, here at the inner corner. From inner corner, just spread it out towards in the middle corner. Okay, and I'll do the other side as well. Put already in our inner corner. Then let's go with the outer corner. So from the outer corner, first tap, then spread it. And I'm pressing my brush upwards at the outer corner. Just all over my outer corner. Do the other side. Okay, so I already have my inner corner and outer corner eyeshadow para sa ating halo. As you can see, so there's a space in the middle. So gagamitan ko siya nitong parang green, which is the Dubai. Oh. So, put it beauty. Pwede ko siyang i-tap ng finger ko. Actually, maganda sana siya kung kung bright green. Kaya lang, ito medyo dark green kasi. Hindi na rin. Okay. So, linisin ko lang siya ng konti. Lagyan ko siya dito na. Initan ko siya dito para maganda yung dito na. Okay. Then, I will use again this brush para sa ating transition. I mean, yung sa gilid niya, lagyan ulit natin siya. Para hindi siya yung mukhang hindi pantay. So, tap mo lang. Tap it in both sides. See? Okay. So, what we will do is, I will do for the, so, 3 colors din gagamitin ko. So, itong red muna. Pero sobrang nipis lang kasi makapal yung eyebags ko. Ito yung pagka-red na. The same color ng ginamit ko kanina. And the same shade na ginamit ko sa aking halo. Parang dark purple. Na kasi same yung color niya. So, yung aking eye bags ay namumugto. Okay. Then, I will put an eyeliner sa ating upper lash line. I will put also an eyeliner. Of course, you need an eyeliner. So, I'll put a little bit of cream. Pero hindi siya ganun ka. See, ipantay yung eyeliner natin. Okay. Okay. So, ayan ang ating eyes. Halo Half Cut Crease. So, let's go with the lashes. I will put lashes, but first I have to put mascara. I have this Sephora Size Up Mascara. This one is best seller. Sobrang ganda niya. So, look at the brush. It's really nice. So, it's like 180 times volume. And it has the Akashi gum. Super nice. Before you put your lashes, make sure you're putting the mascara. This mascara is so amazing. Then I'll put the lashes for my final look. So let's do our lashes. Okay, so I have the tweezer and I have the start lashes. Okay, this I have to put it this way. Just put on the top of your lashes and stick it using the tweezer, so you are sure na nakakabit siyang mabuti. Okay. Wow! And the next one is this. It's facing here. See, I already have my lashes. It really matched on my eyeshadow. So, naka-match na match yung eyeshadow ko sa lashes ko. Kaya bongga-bonggahan siya.
Bongga ka!
So, of course, we will make a lipstick. I'll do the lipstick. So, from here, so this is our lipstick that's really matched on our eyeshadow. So, I really love it. I really like this eyeshadow. So, inspiring sa tinuro sa amin ni Miss Kim for today. So, masaya ako kasi kahit paano nagaya ko yung kanyang makeup look for today. It's a half halo and it's a half of cut crease. So guys, I didn't put yet my highlighter. Today, I will put a highlighter using this small fluffy brush. So I will put on the tip of my nose. So guys, this is my final look for the half halo and half cat crease. Gustuhan niyo ba? Ito maganda siya if you want something glamour event, if you want something pictorial, why not? Diba? You can do it guys. Just keep on practicing. Kaya niyo rin to. Okay? So until next time, thank you for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the bell button. Till next time guys!